there's a Supra on here. I'm sure you had a few people stop you.
Everyone told us we were crazy to do this.
I'm crazy for doing it, you're crazy for wanting to do it.
What are we doing today? We're putting this, we take this windshield on that car, and this is the last check before Zach welds the roof on. So we'll see how close your measurements are. What do you want to do? We'll cut it and we'll...
Yeah, we'll just unwrap it quick. We'll try and save the blue foam so you can put it back.
Okay. We only have like 2 of these left.
Wow. Hopefully it survives until after the car's painted.
Almost, I don't know where we're gonna put it.
I know.
I was hoping it would come in like a wood case.
I think it comes in a wood case, but they got like 6 of them in there.
And then yeah, they're...
So when you pick up the part, you gotta take it out.
I'm gonna get it done in probably like PPF or something with that like that rock chip stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting too hard to find windshields.
There's a place in there.
You want to leave? Okay, roof on.
And then we'll just place it on.
Yeah.
Try and I'll hold my side so the gap is nice.
Yeah.
And then you check your gap. If
Okay.
it's good, then we're good.
Okay.
It should fit the measurements at all.
You don't have to sell me. You've already cut my roof, so we don't have to sell me.
We've got no choice but to
Yeah.
make it work now. So.
Like, oh, you got to fill out this form. Like, what? You've cut my roof off already.
Now.
Should have brought a suction cup. I may have to take the foam out.
You just gotta tuck it inside the fender over there.
I'm a little high here.
Maybe stick your hand under.
I can't.
Make sure it doesn't fall in there.
Shit.
So right now,
Is this
I'm
open?
pretty much- Yeah, it should open. Yeah, just so it doesn't fall. Just like this.
Okay.
Okay, so right now my gap is even all the way across. How are you? Without moving the glass.
Right there. I'm probably quarter around.
Yeah, same here. Perfect.
And then the weather seal.
There's nothing crazy difference.
No, I think we're good across the top, right?
Yeah, that's it.
You want to hold it there for 1 sec?
I don't know if that's it. Actually, put the tape on the top. Last once you put it in, it's like the airplane.
I know, it's kind of crazy. It's so clear, the windshield. Okay, so everything then will line up. So really,
Yeah, the most important is the curvature of the top
yeah.
and the gapping all the way around, which everything lines up, so.
So we have equal gap around. So then with this now, what will you do? You'll put in these fillers?
Yeah, so first I'm gonna weld the inside layers together. It's kind of hard to see now. But first we're gonna weld all the inside layers together.
Yeah.
From the factory it was just spot welded on the sides, but I'm gonna weld all the way around
stitch
just
it.
to make it stronger.
Okay.
And then we'll cap it off after.
And then these are the caps here.
Yep, these are all the pieces. Alright, so that's gonna go somehow like that. Just gotta cut it to size.
And then this white stuff. So it's not, everyone thought it was damaged. It's from
It's
like
just
the
glue.
tarp or whatever they had, like,
Because the glass was probably broken.
it was
or
smashed
down.
on this one, yeah. So they had
The
that.
auction just puts plastic on the
Yeah, good old Copart.
Yep.
And then everything else lines up, so.
Yeah, and then the same with the back. I'm gonna weld this inner layer, and then I can cap that off also.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's, yeah, really that's the last part. And then the car will come home. It's got to go to Stu's after. So I just got to come home. I got to put the interior. I got to do, I think, rear seats, headliner probably. I don't have door cards yet because the new ones are coming. Dash has to go in, dash bar, if we can fix it. And then Stu can make a cage, which will probably go over the top and back.
Perfect.
So I think that's good. And then body kit. It looks crazy with the roof like sitting now.
Yeah.
You know, everyone told us we were crazy to do this, though. They're like, don't wreck a hard top.
I'm crazy for doing it. You're crazy for wanting to do it.
I know.
So,
You almost talked me out of it, though. And I almost talked you out of it.
well, just because it's never been done before, you don't know what
Properly, never.
It's been good.
It's been good. It actually has gone pretty smooth so far, so.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you weren't here the whole time, but
I think it's gone smooth. Yeah.
yeah, for sure.
And then,
I wasted more time thinking about how to do things than actually doing it. But
oh, it's worked out well, though. And then what else? So after you're done this, you're working on this.
yeah.
And then
I
that's,
just gotta finish up that air suspension install and then back on the Skyline truck.
so anyone in Ontario, well, I guess unless you want to come in from US too, we'll do this. So there's Zach's contact there. There's his handles. Need a big neon sign now.
Yeah.
Why? Oh. All right. Okay, what do you want to do? We'll take off the windshield?
Yeah. That's a good thumbnail picture right there.
Just like this?
Yeah.
I know.
Kind of. With the roof on and the windshield.
Somebody's got something loud next door.